Have you ever noticed how a window, doorway, or even a tree branch can make a photo instantly more powerful? That's called framing within a frame. And today I'll show you how to use it to create visual impact in your photography. Framing within a frame means using elements in your scene, like arches, fences, or shadows, to create a secondary frame around your subject. This technique naturally draws the viewer's eyes to where you want them to focus. Our eyes love structure and depth. By placing your subject inside a natural frame, you add layers to your photo, making it more dynamic and engaging. It also evokes a sense of storytelling, almost as if we're peeking into a private moment. Look for shapes in your environment: windows, arches, tunnels, foliage, even everyday objects like books or mirrors. Place your subject inside these frames and experiment with angles. Remember, your frame doesn't have to be complete. Even partial frames can guide attention beautifully. So next time you're out shooting, don't just look at your subject, look around them too. You might find the perfect frame that turns a simple photo into a story. Try it out and let me know how it works for you. For more emotional photography tips, subscribe and join the journey, Lens of Emotion.